Hey everyone, it's me, Princess, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. Please come and join me for today's vlog. I am a cook for today and it's my mom's birthday today. For today's video, I'm going to show you what's going on my mom's birthday. This is just my few preparation for her birthday. So before I came to my work, I went to grocery. I went to Crossing Star Mall in all day to buy some ingredients for my recipe for today because our recipe for today is Filipino kare-kare. This is a peanut stew. This is a very comforting dish from Philippines and it is made with pork belly or oxtail and it came with some mixed vegetables with long string beans, cabbage, eggplants, and some banana heart. And our stew is made with peanut and we are using some unsweetened peanut butter for this recipe which give you a nutty flavor and rich flavor, and it is common served with some bagoong on the side or shrimp paste to adjust the taste based on your preference. Since I am in Filipino household or Asians, so we're celebrating birthdays or special occasion with some pasta or noodles
Ito na yung
that is
nag-iinit
symbolize a long life.
tomorrow is my mom's
So for
birthday.
that,
So
my
nagluto
recipe
lang
for
kami ng
today
carbonara
is
tsaka
carbonara,
spaghetti.
but
So
this
ayan.
is
Ito
not the
make sure tayo
authentic
guys.
carbonara from France because this is Filipino style carbonara. So don't judge me because this is have a quite difference from France carbonara. So here I just pay my bills and I need to go to work. So for my mom's birthday cake, I have here a mocha cake. Then this is now the exact date. This is June 21. I wake up very early at 6 a.m. in the morning. I went to a wet market to
Hi
buy some
guys, good
ingredients
morning. So
for
today
my
is my mom's
kare-kare and
birthday.
of course for
So
my
ginising ako
carbonara.
na maaga
And it's
para
so
pumunta na
disappointing
sa
that I
Politika
left
kasi bibili
my
ako ng ingredients for
um,
kare-kare.
ham and my bacon in the fridge in my work. So I had
So ayun
to
guys,
still
magpa-prepare
do
sa
my
amin ng
carbonara and
politika.
just
Ayun,
make an
malaking tulong talaga
replacement
ng mga talipapa na
for my
malapit sa
meats.
mga bahay
So I
natin.
just decided I will
Kasi hindi
just
mo na
making
kinakailangan pumunta ng
some
palengke.
tuna carbonara instead
Nga pala
since that
guys,
is what I
ang
have in my
lulutuin namin
pantry.
is
So this
carbonara
will be
and
served as a meat
kare-kare.
substitute
Pero
for this
guys,
recipe.
bad trip.
So now I am here
Naiwan
at
ko yung
wet market
pinakasahod natin
just nearby at my house. So
for
this is very
carbonara,
accessible.
yung
This is
bacon
very
tsaka ham. So,
helpful
ngayon, baka
that
magtuna
there's a
carbonara na lang
small
talaga ako. So,
wet
ayan, dito
market
na ako malapit sa
nearby
politika.
at the community for easy access. So I am here at Precinct store to buy some meat for my kare-kare. I will just buy a pork belly and some
So,
cabbage.
ayun guys,
So now
bumili
it's
lang
time
ako
to go
ng
home and I
alib
need
po
to cook
na pang
very
kare-kare.
early so I can finish
Nagdagdag lang
early
ako
because I
ng
still have work.
um, nagdagdag lang ako ng pechay kasi medyo konti yung nabili kong pechay. So, ayan, balik na tayo sa bahay.
So, dahil naiwan natin yung sahog sa trabaho, naiwan natin yung ham tsaka yung bacon. So, ngayon, gawa na lang tayo ng tuna carbonara. Yun na lang second option natin. Oil. Bawang.
century tuna. So, gagamitin ko na lang guys kung ano yung available sa kusina. So, let it simmer for a few hours bago natin ilagay yung ating mushrooms. Buksan ko lang muna to. So, ngayon, add na natin yung mushrooms. Tama ng tingin mo, Kunchi. Sign lang ito. So, chicken cubes, dalawa yung nilalagay. We're going to use Del Monte Extra Creamy Carbonara. Haluin na natin ito. Itsura ng ating sauce. Sobrang creamy. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Ito na yung tuna carbonara. Kapag wala kayong budget na pangsahog sa carbonara, okay na yung tuna. Sobrang creamy, di ba? Then, it depends to you kung gusto nyo maglagay ng parmesan cheese or kahit anong cheese na gusto nyo. Yan. Pero ako, mamaya na, upon plating.
So now here's my tuna carbonara. I just finished it with some parmesan cheese on top. So our next recipe is Filipino kare-kare. So let's start cooking. So let me start this vlog by preparing my ingredients for kare-kare. So here I'm just chopping some banana hearts. Then after I chop it, then I will just soak it with water for a few minutes before I start cooking. I personally don't like eggplant, but banana heart is my one of my favorite in kare kare. So I really make sure that I have to get some banana heart. So I visit to grocery store for this banana heart just to get it. So I just chop it in quarter chop and set it aside, and I put some water. I soak it in water for a few minutes.
Talong.
So next, I just chopped some eggplants. So I just do it like a quarter also. So now let's proceed to our long green beans. So I just cut off the upper part, then I just cut it like 2 inches long.
So, ito na yung gulay natin. Then, next natin, pechay. Tatagalin lang
So
natin
same
dito.
goes with our pechay or cabbage. I just remove the upper part and set it aside.
Ayan na guys. Lagyan lang natin dito. Meron pa ako isang pechay dito. Ito na yung ating isang pechay. Yan. Okay na.
So ngayon pakuluan na natin yung ating pork. I just season it with some black pepper, corn,
Natin.
salt,
Then, i-check
and
natin
some
mamaya kung
whole garlic.
malambot na yung ating pork.
So here I'm just doing
As you can
it
see,
guys if the
Lambot
pork
na.
is tender.
I think okay na yung ating pork.
So now let's proceed
So, ayan
in
guys,
blanching
I think
our
okay na yung ating
vegetables.
pechay.
So we're going to blanch all the vegetable
Saglit
except
lang
eggplants.
papakuluan kasi
So just make
hindi naman
sure
masarap
that
pag-overcook
your
ang
vegetable is not
Tagalin
overcooked.
na natin.
So in the same pot, I will just blanch our long string beans as well.
So, ayan guys, medyo okay na rin na ata itong sitaw. Konti pa. So, ayan
So
na
next,
guys.
we're going to blanch
Pinakuluan ko
our
na yung
banana
isang
heart as
side.
well. Make sure lang na i-check niya siya from time to time kasi medyo matigas yung ating banana heart. Ito yung pinakamatagal pakuluan.
medyo malambot naman na siguro. Check natin. Okay na. Amuin na natin, guys. Gawin mo eh. Amuin na natin, guys. Sabihin mo na inaaway ko.
So now that everything is ready, so I will just heat some oil and I will just fry our eggplants.
Skin down first. So yun guys, check natin kung okay na. Balik na rin natin. Yung mga ibang part, hindi pa luto. So, balik na rin natin.
Since this is crispy kare-kare, so I'm going to fry our pork belly as well to make it crispy.
So ayun, tinakpan ko lang siya kasi medyo matalsik siya. Hindi medyo, sobrang talsik. Tinakpan ko na lang siya. Then mamaya bubuksan natin to bago natin i-baliktad. So yun guys, i-ano lang natin, i-off muna natin saglit. Tapos baliktarin natin. Yan ang technique guys para hindi kayo matalsikan ng mantika. Antayin muna natin siyang kumalma, no? Diba? Kita nyo yun? Baliktarin na natin. Then, takpan na natin ulit. Tapos, buksan na natin. So, ayun guys. Ito na yung mga naprito natin na yempo. Ngayon, gagawa na tayo ng kare-kare sauce.
So now we're ready to make some kare-kare sauce. So I just start up with heating some oil and I'll just saute some garlic and onions.
Bawang. natin siya magkarami. So, ayun guys, nagka-caramelize na yung ating onions. Alam nyo, mas gusto kong ginagawa to kasi na-extract niya yung flavor and yung onions natin, nagiging tamis siya. So, ayan. Lagay na natin yung peanut butter.
Once fragrance, we can now put our unsweetened peanut butter.
This is unsweetened guys, wala tong sugar. So this is perfect pang kare-kare. Lalagay lang ako mga 1 tablespoon. Wait lang, hinaan natin yung stove.
Now let's add our pork broth.
Pork stock.
We're going to use pork broth because lahat ng flavor nandito, and also I add some 1 cup of water.
Nakasan na natin. Maglalagay tayo ng
And just bring it to the boil and add some annatto powder or atsuete. This is just for coloring to achieve orange stew.
Pwede kayong gumamit ng atsuete na seeds. Pwede rin namang annatto powder. Pwede kayong gumamit dito guys ng mamasita na kare-kare mix kung gusto nyo lang naman. Anyways, ito ang ating chicken cubes para naman kahit paano may lasa na yung ating sauce. Kahit na wala ng bagoong. Antayin na lang
Since
natin
my mom is allergy in shrimp, so I cannot make some shrimp paste for this recipe. So I will just season it with some chicken cubes and some MSG to adjust its taste.
MSG.
So by making this, we will not going to need some shrimp paste to adjust the taste because it already have savory taste. So to thicken the sauce, we will going to need some slurry mixture. So this is just combination of cornstarch and water. This will be help to thicken the sauce because this is emulsifier.
That is slurry mixture.
So just let it simmer for a few minutes until thickened. Then now it's ready to make a plating.
Hanggang sa mag-thicken yung sauce. As you can see, hindi pa siya kumukulo pero malapot na yung sauce niya. Antayin lang natin siya kumukulo. Ayan, kumukulo na siya. Medyo malapot na ang ating sauce. So guys, dahil okay na to, plating na tayo. We have here the sauce. Yes, love it. guys. Chai. Medyo madami. Puso ng saging. Just dalawa lang. Or okay na yung isa. Then some eggplants. More sauce sa taas. Here's our kare-kare. So guys, here's our finished product. So ayun guys, nakuha ko na yung cheesecake na birthday cake sana ng aking mother. So unbox natin to pagdating sa bahay. Let's go! Yan guys, nakuha ko na yung cheesecake na in-order ko sa dessert house. So, unbox na natin to. So, ito sana yung... So, ayun guys, nakuha ko na yung binili kong cheesecake from dessert house. So, ito yung package, yung laman ng ating plastic. So, order lang ako dito ng cheesecake. So guys, unbox na natin yung cheesecake. But first, wait lang. Meron silang palibreng mug, guys. Wow. This is free, guys, ha. Dessert house. Kita nyo ba? May libre silang mug. Then, meron din silang libreng chocolate drink. This is from Personal Collection. I think, nagtitinda si seller ng Personal Collection. So, ayan. Meron na siyang free mug and chocolate drink. But, ito yung in-order ko talaga, guys. Ito yung in-order ko. So, this is cheesecake, burnt cheesecake from Dessert House. Dessert House, pwede kayong mag-avail ng cheesecake sa kanila with just 40 pesos delivery charge. And kung meron pa rin silang stock, meron silang free mug and free chocolate drink. Then, upon ordering, guys, sa form, guys, mag-fill out kayo ng if pang birthday po ba to or wala namang okasyon. Kasi kung pang birthday to, meron silang free na topper na happy birthday topper and free candle na long candle. So, try natin. Buksan natin. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano itsura. Nag-iisip talaga ako kung bibili ba ako ng cake or cheesecake. Pero kasi ang aking mood of the day, gusto ko ng cheesecake. Ewan ko, tumatanda na ba ako, pero hindi ko na na-appreciate ang cake tuwing birthday. So, bumili ako ng cheesecake. Wow, ang ganda ng presentation, bongga. So, ito ang ating cheesecake. Ay, wait lang. Hindi siya nakikisama. So, ito na ang ating cheesecake, guys. Grabe naman ang presentation. Ang ganda. So, perfect na perfect talaga to pang birthday, guys. And, so guys, this is 8 inches na cheesecake. And, you know what is surprisingly? This is just 990 pesos. Tama ba? This is just 990 pesos for a 8 inches cheesecake. Alam naman natin, guys, na ang cheesecake sobrang mahal talaga sa market. Sometimes yung isang slice ng cheesecake is around 200 pesos. Saan naman kayo makakakita ng cheesecake na 900 pesos lang, di ba? 990 pesos. Then, plus 40 pesos, kahit saang lupalo kayo ng Metro Manila, 40 pesos lang yung delivery charge na sinisingil nila. Kasi kung magpapabook kayo sa Lalamove, no, siguro pinakamura is less than 100 pesos. Pero most of the time, nasa 100 pesos pataas siya. So, ayun guys, sobrang dali din kausap ni seller. Actually, wala kayong masyadong conversation. Nag-chat lang ako sa page nila, and then nagsabi lang ako na magpe-place ako ng order ng gantong araw, gantong oras. Then nagulat na lang ako guys na nag-message sila na nandiyan na sila sa bahay. So ready for pick up na. So ayan guys. So bibigyan ko lang kayo ng magandang montage. Wait lang. Tignan nyo naman guys, cheesecake pa lang napakamahal na. Then meron silang real fruits na nasa taas, which is yun yung kinatuwa ko kasi nga sobrang mahal ng ingredients for cheesecake and the price is so affordable. Tignan nyo naman guys, mukha talaga siyang mamahalin pero di nyo aasahan na mura nyo lang siyang mabibili. So guys, kung gusto nyo umorder sa dessert house, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung Facebook page nila. Pwede kayo doon mag-order. Sobrang ganda guys. So, parang ang hirap niyang kainin. Anyway guys, order na kayo and may free mugs to. Then guys, hindi lang basta cheesecake to. Pag umorder kayo ng gantong size, 8 inches, I think C2 ang pangalan nito. C2 yung gantong cheesecake. Meron kayong free mugs and 40 pesos na lang yung delivery fee. Pero kung mas mura yung kukunin yung package, I think mas mahal yung delivery fee. Depende sa location nyo. Pero ayun guys, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung binili ko. And ayun guys, I will see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Walang hanta. Happy birthday to you.
So guys, this will be the end of our video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking video. And don't forget to like my page at Princess Kitchen page on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next vlog. Bye!